Hello everyone, welcome to S3Bubble. In this video tutorial we're going to talk about our usage-based billing, and we're going to show you how you can set limits so you will safely know your maximum monthly cost. Okay, so as you can see, we've got usage-based billing set up on this account, and we charge 0.001 cents per video load. Okay, so I wanted to touch on what a video load is because people got quite confused. So a video load is, if we look at the home page, you can see we've got one video loaded here, and we've also got one video loaded here, so that will class as two video loads. Okay, now if I've just set up a test page here, then if we just run a refresh, then this is classed as a video load, so it's classed as one charge. So that's how the charging cost, that's how we cost the charging, sorry. So you can come down here and we have a limit calculator where we've just set out some basic limits. So if we were to get a maximum of 100 views per hour throughout the whole month, then that would work out at about 72,000. So we can take the 72,000 value, we can post it into the monthly calculator, and we can click estimate, and we can see that our monthly bill will never exceed 72,000. Okay, so we can safely know that we will never go above that amount, and that's because if we head to a dashboard, we've set a limit of 100. Okay, so you can come in here and you can update your limit. You can change it to having no limit at all, or you can set a limit if you want to have some restrictions in place. Okay, so one thing I wanted to note as well is you can come over to the usage and logs. Okay, and if we go down to charts here, then what we can do is we can select our 24-hour chart. Okay, and then this will give us an overview of how many calls have been made within the hour. So as you can see, we're on 98 calls and we've set a limit of 100. So let's refresh this twice, one more and one more. Okay, now we've reached our limit. So this will be what will happen when you reach your maximum limit. You will get this notification, okay, but it means you won't be charged. Okay, but they will have that notification so you can see we've exceeded the limit. Now if we simply wanted to address this, we can come in and we can go over to our limits, and let's just update, and we'll change our limit to 500 video views per hour. Okay, so that's changed our limit now, so we can simply come in, okay, and everything is now back up and running with our video views. So that's a good way to understand how usage billing works. You can come in and have a play around, use the cost calculator to work out exactly what your monthly cost can be. If you don't want any limits, then you can simply come over here and go to limits, and we can update, and we want no limit. Okay, now this will just mean that there's no limits in place, there'll be no restrictions, and you can have as many video loads as possible. Okay, your monthly API calls will be here. This will be updated every hour to show you real-time cost updates, and you will also be notified via email every week, or we can change it to every day, of the amount of video loads you have made via the S3Bubble service. Any questions, please drop us an email at support@s3bubble.com. Thanks.